Quick to prepare, with economical ingredients and with a great look, as you can see in the image. There you go, a spoiler. It's great. Have no idea what to do for dinner? Well, here you have it. You'll have it ready in a moment. It's great. Rice, potato, a cheese that melts well, mozzarella, a little bit of flour, and that's it. With these three ingredients, we'll prepare an incredible dinner. It's super quick to make, and you'll have the dish ready in no time at all. Hi, I'm VT. Welcome to Grandma's Kitchen, where we're sharing a super quick and easy recipe with you today. Here are the ingredients: potatoes. With one potato enough, we will also need flour, a tablespoon of flour, and cheese, a cup, a good handful of cheese that melts well, in this case, mozzarella. As always, I remind you that I also leave the ingredients well detailed below in the text box. And if not, you already know. Press pause, grab paper and pen and copy directly from the screen. There are only 3, so why not? You can also try to use your memory. Let's get started. Point number 1 of this big recipe, the potatoes. 1 potato per diner, enough? We're going to peel them. As you can see, they're of a medium size. They're not those giant potatoes. Just peel it. And then we have it nice and clean and well washed. And with the same potato peeler or with a thin knife, we're going to start slicing it like this. We need the slice to be super thin. There you have it with a potato peeler. This is flying. A mandolin would also work, which would be the most orthodox way to prepare this cut. That's right, with a mandolin. Be cautious with your fingers. I once badly cut myself. There it is. We need them that thin. Well, there you go. I have it completely divided into thin slices. The moment when I'm going to add a spoonful of flour, there it is. Now you have to get your hands in. Stir everything well so that all the potato is impregnated with this flour. It will take you 30 seconds, and if you had chosen a bigger bowl than mine, in 10 seconds you will have it ready and nothing would have fallen out. Well, ready? Let's go to the pan. A little bit of olive oil, a splash. Don't overdo it. It's a little bit. Simply wet the base of the pan. We are going to spread it very well with a wooden spoon or with a brush. As I am doing, there I have it. And now we are going to pour all this potato in the pan. We turn on the fire medium heat and distribute well over the entire surface of the pan. There it is, little by little. Take your time. It's gonna be another 30 seconds at most. Ensure it covers the entire base of the pan. There I have it. We'll wait 5 minutes. The potato will start to sweat. The color will have changed, and then we'll flip it. And we'll also cook it on the other side. There it is. Very well, this is going great. Although it may not seem like it, we are already wrapping up. You can see how the potato is cooking because some parts are becoming transparent and it has changed color to a super cute golden brown. Time for the cheese. We'll use a cheese that melts well, like mozzarella. There it is. And we're going to put a good portion of cheese on one of the halves of our potato that is being cooked in the pan. Just on one half, and with the other half, we're going to cover. It's been about 5 minutes on this side, I remind you. So we cover so the sheets fall on the top part. And they enclose this wonder of cheese inside. There it is. Little by little. You know that I'm a klutz, so if I can do it, you guys should be able to do it with flying colors. There, come on up, let's wrap it up. I almost have it. Then we just have to cook until it's nicely brown on both sides. There I have it. I'll wait a little bit, checking occasionally to make sure it doesn't burn. And as soon as I think it's ready, I'll flip it. Once, 2 and 3 cheers, and I'll continue cooking. On the other hand, you can flip it as many times as you like. The important thing is that it turns out just as you want. That is, the potatoes well browned and the cheese inside well melted. I think I have very little left to put my hand covering the camera, as always. What a clumsy guy. And here it is. This is the point I want, now I have it ready. It has been cooked slow-medium heat, so the potato is well cooked. It has this really good golden color, and we just have to place it on an individual plate because this is the portion for one person. If there are more diners, do you prepare more of these pieces, you know? A spoonful of flour, a potato, and a handful of cheese per person. A little bit of parsley to give it color, aroma, and flavor. We're going to give it an artistic touch with a curly parsley tree. A fantastic touch with ketchup, a tomato sauce that goes very well, and also mustard. A touch on each side. And we have the finished dish. Easy, cheap, quick, with only 3 ingredients. Who can ask for more? Here is the cut. So you can see how juicy it is. Here I go. The camera cut the pulse all together. You see how the cheese is melted, how it drips. Of course, if you like it with more cheese or several mixed cheeses, go ahead. It turns out super well. I love cheddar, for example. Well, that's it, guys. Ready? Well, you see what a look. It took us very little time to prepare it. I'm going to try it even though it's still very hot. Look at that melted cheese mixed with the potatoes. The truth is that it's really good. It took us very little time. And here you have the dinner ready. Easy, full of flavor. You don't need to add salt because the mozzarella cheese already has that salty touch and it's truly fantastic. You can add some chilies to give it a spicy touch, which also goes very well, and if not, just as it is. Well, you know, if you like this recipe as much as I did, remember to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell so it notifies you of my notifications, give me a super like, and why not follow me on Instagram? VT Kitchen. And I'm sure I'm forgetting some other stuff like Facebook and all those things. It's so good. I'm gonna take a little piece. So you can see how that cheese opens up. This is truly wonderful, incredible. You have to prepare this recipe. It's to die for.